Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this, USB-C hub. It's a Moman CT6 with 6 ports. It is a multi-port adapter with USB Type-C cable, 4K at 30 Hz HD, 2x USB 3.0 and 100 watt power delivery if it is necessary. Ooh, that's cool. That can deliver to your smartphone like an iPhone 15 Pro or a Max or a MacBook Pro or an Air or an iPad Pro and so on. Can deliver their data, and of course it can deliver power if it is necessary. The USB 3.0 hub offers 6 interfaces for efficient and compact use. It's made of high quality metal material. This is aluminium. The hub is characterized by high durability. With a 100 M high-speed network interface, the hub allows fast and stable connections. Experience the HD or more than HD because it's Ultra HD 4K possibility at 30 Hz high definition video transmission for an impressive visual experience if you use the HDMI port. Thanks to the USB 3.0 interface with 5 gigabit high-speed transmission, we can transfer data quickly and, of course, easily. In addition, the hub offers a PD 100 watt fast charging function, if this is necessary too. This introducing the efficient and compact USB 3.0 hub. This multi-port USB-C hub is designed with 6 interfaces, this allowing us to connect multiple devices simultaneously. It's a high-quality metal material, ensures a durability. It makes a reliable companion for our everyday needs. Equipped with a 100 M high-speed network interface, this hub provides a fast and stable internet connectivity. Experience the ultimate high-definition video transmission with its HD 4K at 30 Hz capability. This delivers crystal clear visuals to our connected display devices. With an USB 3.0 interface, we can enjoy lightning fast data transfer speeds of up to 5 GB, enabling quick file transfer and efficient data management. Additionally, the PD 100 watt quick charge features allows us to power up our device in no time. Whenever we need to connect the USB device, we transfer data or we change our device rapidly. This USB 3.0 hub is perfect solution for that job. Its versatility and high performance makes it an easy choice for home, for office, or on-the-go use. This can upgrade our connectivity options with this reliable USB hub, and we can enjoy seamless multitasking and an efficient device management. So we get our USB 3 hub now and experience the convenience it brings to us. It's also on the market in a 4:1 or 5:1 pack, because this is the 6-in-1 pack. It's also on the available 7-in-1, 8-in-1 and 9-in-1. I think the 6-in-1 pack is the best choice because it's not so big, but it's big enough for make a good job. As you can see, we can connect so many stuff on it. We can connect smartphones, tablets, USB stick, SD cards, micro SD cards with an adapter, of course, on the USB port. We can connect via USB-C other devices to reload them, to make data transform the data via this hub. Or of course we can connect it with a local area network, because the local area network cable can connect to this hub and give the information via the USB-C port onto our device. Yeah, easy peasy, baby. This is full house. This is the 6-in-1 USB-C hub by Moman. It is the Moman CT6 with 6 ports. That means it is a multi-port adapter with USB Type-C cable, 4K 30Hz HD, HDMI, and 2x USB, and power delivery for our devices. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.